welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're just going to be testing the Honey Lust palette by Revolution, which looks like this, and then on the inside like this. I'm super excited to give this a go. I've seen like quite a few people do reviews, so we're just going to do it, and we're going to do a full face as well, just because of my benefit, precisely my brow pencil. I'm going to go in with this, which is the XX Revolution Face Freeze Primer. I must have used this, but I can't actually remember using it. How bad is that? I've had this for like when they first did their launch, which I believe was back in like May, June time. I really like the XX stuff. Really need to use the pink and purple palette that they brought out. I bought that a few weeks back. Like I say, a few weeks back, I think it was a while ago. Right, so I'm going to go in with the Primark Double Matte Coverage foundation, and I'm just going to apply this with a brush because I haven't got my beauty blender. So I'm going to go into this with my Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush, but because I pulled this out, it's a Real Techniques pointed foundation brush. I'm just going to apply this on here with the foundation, just because I brought it out and I feel like we can try something different, and I really want to highlight like the points where I'm having breakouts at the minute. I said to my boyfriend last night, I was like, oh, like my skin's cleared up, and then today, obviously, I've had a breakout. So, but yeah, I had a really nice Christmas. I ate loads, and we're still like literally we're oozing with food out of the fridge. So I'm not cooking anything until we've used up everything in the fridge. So I think we're having like cheese and crackers tonight with loads of like salami and meats. And then last night we had like little party selection foods, just because I don't want anything to go to waste. And I think we've got enough chocolate and like sweets with gummies and pick and mixes to last about 5 or 6 years, so we are not annoyed. So yeah, that's what's been happening. And today, which you guys will see, I don't know when this video will be up, but I organised my beauty room just because everything was just in random places, and I was like, I can't find anything. Like each time I come in here, it's not like how I would want it, should I say. So I reorganised everything. I've filmed it. I don't know how good the footage is going to be because I had to move around so many times to like do it, and obviously the soft boxes. So I will upload it if it's good quality, and if you guys want to see it anyways, even though it's like rubbish quality, then let me know, and obviously I will make sure I get it up. So I'm just going to blend this out with the Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush. Going in with the Revolution Ultimate Radiant Under Eye Concealer. But I bought from my boyfriend the Himalayan charcoal one, and it did really draw out like a lot of stuff, but I don't know whether it irritate my skin, just because my skin's like quite sore at the minute. I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Colour Powder. Guys, I absolutely love this powder, but who agrees? Like, I know it's cheap, but don't you think they need to like step up their packaging game, because it just gets everywhere. And I'm just going to plonk this underneath my eye, but I'm not going to clear it up, just in case there is any fallout. I'm I want to tidy that up at the end, but I'm setting the rest of my face where I do get oily. The the Revolution, the I Heart Revolution contour palette. I know Lizzie really likes this, Lizzie Demetrio. You guys should check her out, she's really good. I also did a collab with her. So I'm just going to go into this is in Fair, by the way. So I'm just going to go into this and with my big MAC brush and just contour my skin and warm it up a little bit with, I'm not sure if this is still available, I'll have to check, but it is the MAC powder, a MAC blusher in crisp white. It's in like this cool packaging. I'm just going to go into this with a brush like this. It is a MAC one, but I don't like the colours have came off, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. Oh, the blush looks like this. I got this years ago, so I don't know if it's still available, but I do really love this blush just for like a subtle colour. I'm going to go into I just grabbed this because I know I haven't used it in ages. The Revolution Pro Luster Highlighter in the shade White Rose. And I'm going to go into this with my Morphe 510 brush. Haven't used this really, I think I've just swatched it. So we can test it out. But look how stunning that is, like, for packaging. Not for packaging, for like the presentation of the product. Yeah, it is really nice. I don't think it's one of the nicest ones Revolution have done. I think I remember I wasn't in love with it. So let's jump into using the Honey Lust palette. So I'm going to go, there's no shade names in this, so I'm just going to show you like in the palette what I've been using. So I'm going to go into this Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush, which is just like a blending brush. And I think we'll start off with this bright orange here. So I used one of the bath bombs yesterday and it was lovely. I came out and I honestly was like, you know, like a bath oil. It felt so smooth. I came out and my skin was so soft. Yeah, it was really nice. So I used a bath bomb and like one of the bath oil things. So I'm just building it up till I like where the colour's at. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the same brush and I'm going to go into this like orange, like a soft browny orangey nude just there. And I'm just going to go over the top of that orange shade just to blend it out. I'm going to go into this new product that I got, which is the P. Louise. It's not a new product, but new to me, the P. Louise base. I just got a small one. It's in 02, and I'm just going to cut my crease. That was so easy to cut the crease. So I'm going to go into this. I'm going to go into this red shade just to build out the outer colour just there. The outer V, sorry. And I'm going in with this cheapy Amazon brush. I will, actually I have not left a link for them, so I will leave a link down below of the Amazon brushes. So far it's good, like I think this palette was £12. So for £12, like I have no major issue, it blends out nice. It takes some blending, like building the colour should I say. So, and the two colours together in the crease, so there's not so much of like a line. Yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. And then I'm going to go into, actually I'm going to go back in with the same P. Louise brush onto this like golden shade in the middle. As you can see, I've already swatched it and it was beautiful, so I really want to swatch it again. Not swatch it again. It's not got any shades, which is really annoying. Oh wow, that's stunning. It's such a nice colour. See, Revolution like need to do more like shades like this, because I just think these are such good quality. So I'm going to go back in to that cheapy Amazon brush in that same red shade, just so I can build it up and also blend out that colour. I think I'm going to bring that gold shade just like a bit further out. So again, I'm just going to go back into that red shade and blend this colour out. So as you can see, this is how it's looking. I really like that. I would definitely put lashes on with this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, do my other eye, apply lashes and then come back. So I will be back in a minute. Hi everyone, so I'm back with my lashes on. I'm going to go in with the shade, this like purple one under here. It is number 28. I didn't realise that there's numbers on the back. So 28. I'm just going to go underneath. I'm using the Morphe 321 brush. I'm just going to go underneath my lash line. But that's how the purple looks. It's not that deep. I thought it'd be a lot darker, but I do really like it. It's just a purple, like a soft purple. So I'm going to go in, and for my lips, let's do something crazy with my lips and also go full on out with that. I'm going to go into this in my so basically for my lips I'm going to go do something a bit crazy. So I'm going to, if you guys would have seen my Primark haul, you would know I got like some Primark lipsticks, the matte one. This doesn't have a shade name, but it looks like this. I'm just going to go with my lips. So this is how that colour looks, which is really bright. And then I also got the Revolution Nightmare Before Christmas collection. I'm going to use the shade Sally, the lip gloss, over the top, just because I've not used this yet, and so that's made it a bit more glossy. But as you can see, this is the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've got lots of stuff coming up this week. I am currently filming about 3 or 4 videos, so I will have a video up every day this week. Well, this will go up, I don't know, but basically the week of just after Christmas a video will be up every day. But I absolutely love this look. I think it looks stunning. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!